septic tank drainfield leads to greener grass.
A septic tank drainfield leads to greener grass.
A septic tank uses gravity to separate gunk from water.
A septic tank uses gravity to separate gunk from water.
A septic tank stores your waste on your own property.
A septic tank stores your waste on your own property.
Clean water is produced.
Once the wastewater goes through treatment at a facility, the final result produces water safe enough to be released back into local waterways. In some areas, the water goes through even more filtering processes so it can be rerouted and instead be used as safe drinking water. It's super economical and best not to think about too much.
Bacteria eats up waste in the water.
After the wastewater gets cleared of the majority of sludge and scum, it goes through the activated sludge process. In the first part of the process, the water transfers to aeration tanks where it gets loaded up with oxygen. This results in the growth of bacteria that consume the organic waste. The bacteria continue to multiply, resulting in yet another substance called flock. Dang, a lot of weird side material that comes with this stuff. Like the liner notes on a Steely Dan album.
Sludge becomes fertilizer.
After going through the sludge digester, the remaining sludge, which is now essentially odorless, thankfully will often go through a process called deutering. This involves spinning the sludge in a centrifuge, causing the water to separate, reducing the sludge's liquid volume by 90%. This sludge then becomes biosolids, which can be used as fertilizer. And that fertilizer can be used to grow plants that you'll eventually eat, digest, and send back down the toilet. It's the circle of life, just like Mufasa explained it. Only way more gross and less Disney-friendly.
Sludge and scum get digested.
After sludge and scum get separated from the water at a treatment plant, they move to digester tanks. Once there, bacteria break it down further by consuming the remaining organic material, resulting in methane, carbon dioxide, water, and a much more concentrated version of sludge. You know, the good stuff. The methane produced by the process can then be used as an energy source for the treatment plant itself. Is that still keeping it green, or would it be more keeping it seeking disgusting? A. Semantics. Sludge and scum gets separated. Inorganic solids get separated. Where your waste goes depends on where you live.
One simple flush sets a whole series of events into action. One simple flush sets a whole series of events into action.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.